Izakhamuzi zase-Orlando eSoweto zikhiphe impahla ebikwamanye amathilomo bokufika zakusho kwagcwala umlomo ukuthi kumele bephume bephele kule ndawo. Zithi inselele enkulu ilabo abanika bokufika imininingwane yabo ukuze bebhalise amathilomo.
Aboma-stand nabo kumele ukuthi ba-understand ukuthi sokuyimpi manje. Each and every location kufa abantwana ngindaba yawo lama-spaza shop ama-Pakistan.
Abamathilomo baphawulile ngokuvalwa kwezitolo zabo.
This country, we are black for Africa, it's not for South African only. I can obey of the law of South Africa. I don't want to block the rule of South Africa, but whatever that they are doing is wrong.
Kusenjalo, imeya Solundi iphawulile ngenselele yabantu bakulelizwe abalekelela abokufika ukubhalisa amathilomo.
Sibona bona kuyibo abeza bexhake abantu bokuhamba abangenalo ngisho ilungelo lokuthi babe lapha ezweni. Ilokho kusikhathaza kakhulu ukuthi abantu bakithi abalisebenzisele lithuba leli babhalise iziphaza zabo.
Kusenjalo, uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa usekhuze abantu bakuleli abanika abantu bokufika imininingwane yabo ukuze bezobhalisa amathilomo abo.
We have now realized that there is some crookery that is going on where people are using other people to register when they themselves are not registrable. So we are going to go into that. We are going to fathom into that, but we call on our people, do not take the law into your hands. The law can burn you.
Abamathilomo basenethemba lokuthi zizokwelulwa izinsuku zokubhaliswa njengoba lezi bebenikwe zona seziya ngomutsha wendoda. Izakhamuzi zase-Orlando azicali ukuvuka umbhejazane ngodaba oluthinta abokufika njengoba ngomfumfu bamfuna baze bamthola owesilisa waseMozambique osolwa ngokudlwengula abulale intombazanyana eyayineminyaka eyisithupha ubudala uAmanhle Samane. Njengamanje umsolwa usagcinwe esitokisini.